everyone, welcome back. So, if makeup is a huge part of your life, then you would definitely know how hard it is to maintain the look throughout the day. Now, this makeup look right here has been on my face from the last 6 to 7 hours. It looks good to me, but truth be told, I feel that it has lost its freshness and dewiness. But doing the makeup all over again for the dinner is so much time taking, so much energy consuming. So today I'm gonna just show you how I usually take my makeup from day to night. Like basically when I have to head out for a dinner party straight away from work. It's super easy and it's not gonna take much time, and all these products that I'm going to use today for this makeup look have been purchased from the beauty store by Big Basket. All the product links will be mentioned down below, so don't forget to check them out, and let's begin. So I'm starting with using a concealer so that the makeup looks fresh and doesn't look that washed out anymore. I'm using the LA Girl HD Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Next, I'm going to be using the eyeshadow palette by LA Girl called Socialize. It's got these beautiful long-wearing intensely pigmented shades. I am going to use the brown shade all over my crease line. And then using this highlighter shade on the center of the lids. I'm using my fingers for this because I think that this is the best way to suck out the pigmentation of the eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to dot the lightest shade in the inner corner of my eyes and the brow bone so that they look really big and bright. This eyeshadow has a lot of variants in it, and all of them are available at the beauty store by Big Basket, so go and check them out yourself. I'm lining my waterline using the Plum Nature Studio Kohl pencil just to give a smoky effect, and I'm using the brown shade from the eyeshadow palette just to smudge it in. I feel this effect looks really nice for the nighttime looks. Next, to further define the eyes, I'm using a coat of mascara with a volumizing and thickening formula, something like the Wet n Wild XXL. This works well like a charm. I'm just going to add a lot of definition to my face, so I'm using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in the shade Fair. I'm contouring my entire face using the brown shade that is there in it, and I'm also going to use the blush on the apples of my cheek. And also I am going to use the highlighter just a little bit on the highest points of my face, and I think this will make a lot of difference to the entire look. Last step is the lips, and for that I'm going to finish off this look with the 9 to 5 lipstick by Lakme in the shade Pink Post. It is a beautiful bright color and is extremely matte, and it is so comfortable for the lips, and I'm just liking this shade so much because it goes really well with this makeup look. So this brings us to an end. This is the nighttime makeup look that I've created from the daytime. I hope you enjoyed this look, and if you want to shop any of these products, head on to the beauty store by bigbasket.com. I will see you super soon. Bye.